Hi, it's Kozue. I'm gonna be trying to make this nail art I saw on Instagram. I love nail stamping art, so I really want to master this. I tried this method with nail lacquer in this video, but I couldn't create depth well with nail lacquer. I'm gonna be using gel nail this time. I'm gonna be using nail foil as well. Apply base coat to your natural nail. Let's get started. I'm painting white gel from CanDo, a 100 yen store. Their white gel is the most opaque among all the 100 yen store gel nails. I think opaque gel is a key to create depth. I think you need to make contrast with opaque gel. I applied it twice and cured after each application. I'm gonna use clear icing gel from a 100 yen store, Seria. I'm painting it pretty thick. You might get heat spike if you work on your natural nails. If you feel too much heat, put out your nail from the lamp. By the way, I'm using a brush from an old gel nail bottle. I'm gonna paint icing gel again to create a good depth. This will make the nail pretty thick. I have to be careful not to make it wide. Unfortunately, I ended up with a pretty wide nail in the end. I'm trying hard to make it thick. I wasn't sure if it levels well. It actually leveled really well. I turn it over to let it level better. I got this plate at Walmart in Hawaii. I think I should use a coarse bold design for today's art rather than one with thin lines. I'm gonna use this rose design. This super opaque stamping polish came with the plate. Mind you, this is not a credit card. Oh, I did it! I was able to create depth. Yay! Well, white works well, but when I tried other colors, like pink, I couldn't make a good contrast like this. So I was like, how about painting other colors on it? I'm gonna paint color-based gel, sheer pink beige. It's new gel from CanDo. It's tinted based gel nail. The texture is pretty thick. It's pretty sheer, so the stamped prints are still visible. I'm gonna finish it with a top coat. Done. I guess it's a success. The patterns might come out better with more sparse individual designs like the green one. The green one actually has some shadow of the print. Super cool. I'm gonna use the same steps for nail foil. I wonder how much depth I can create with the icing gel. I'm gonna apply white gel nail from CanDo twice. I'm gonna use CanDo's nail foil sheet. It's about 90 centimeters, super long for only 110 yen. I'm gonna use foil gel from CanDo. It needs 3-minute cure. Actually, it didn't go well. It's all my fault. I used the wrong charging cable to the LED lamp and the foil gel was undercured. I didn't realize that, so I just kept scratching the foil on it. I got some designs on it, but not perfectly. After I used the proper cable, everything went back to normal. I'm cleaning it with nail polish remover and try again. This time with anti-slip liquid from Daiso. It's not supposed to be used for nail art. It dries pretty fast. I waited about a minute and put nail foil on. I'm gonna use Seria's icing gel clear to create a clear layer. I used the anti-slip liquid again. I was planning to just put the foil on the whole nail without cutting the foil, but I changed my mind and decided to lay out flowers carefully. Yep, I should cut the foil. Cutting the foil is pretty hard and time-consuming. But it's much easier to lay out flowers. I can see a clear difference from the one before. I could have just painted the top coat, but I tried a color-based gel to see what it would look like. Oh, it's cute! I prefer this way. I'm gonna finish it with a top coat. All done. What do you think? Do you see depth? Actually, I can see more depth with my naked eyes than from the screen. I made a sub-art too. I'm applying color-based gel ones. Manga Art Gel, Pearl Barbelly from CanDo. It's magnetic gel. I'm gonna use magnet to design it before curing. I'm using magnet from Temu. I put extra magnet on the end. I cured it and finished it with a top coat. I made this set. I feel the middle finger design doesn't suit the others. The thumbnail looks so cute. I switched the middle fingernail to magnetic gel one. I like this set a lot. How about this? Oh, the middle finger looks really bulky, but I like the vibe. I switched the ring finger and the middle finger. I think I like this balance better. The subscriber number to this channel is getting really close to 10,000. I'm really happy and lucky to have this many subscribers. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.